Calcite comes in a variety of crystal shapes and is the main mineral of limestone, marble, and beautiful stalactites. Calcite ball pressing machine can be powder calcite, forced extrusion by ball pressing machine, making molding, let related industries use. Calcite powder ball pressing machine energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, with good economic and social benefits. Calcite ball press after many years of industrial use and improvement with high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging of obvious advantages. Calcite ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating and other industries.